In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Prezi. Zooming is at the heart of how Prezi works, helping you guide your audience from the big picture into the details and back again. Mastering a few simple techniques will make your presentations feel smoother, more intentional, and easier to follow. First, let's use your mouse or trackpad. If you're on a mouse, place your cursor over the area you want to explore and scroll the wheel up to zoom in or down to zoom out. Prezi zooms toward wherever your cursor is pointing, so aim at the specific topic or image you want to emphasize before you scroll. Small, steady scrolls give you the most control and help you avoid overshooting your target. If you're on a trackpad, pinch out with 2 fingers to zoom in and pinch in to zoom out. Again, make sure your cursor is hovering over the content you want to focus on. If the movement feels too jumpy, try slower gestures or adjust your trackpad sensitivity in your device settings for finer control. Next, the navigation bar at the bottom of the editor is perfect for precise adjustments. Click the plus icon to zoom in and the minus icon to zoom out. These buttons move the canvas in consistent, predictable steps, which is great when you're aligning elements or preparing a specific framing for a slide or topic. If you don't see the bar right away, hover your mouse near the bottom of the screen and it should appear. Use a few quick clicks to fine-tune your view rather than one big leap so your audience can follow your movement comfortably. Finally, double-clicking content is the fastest way to dive straight into what matters. Double-click directly on a topic, a frame, or any object on the canvas, and Prezi will zoom into it instantly. If there are nested levels, another double-click takes you deeper. To back out, simply scroll down with your mouse or trackpad, or tap the minus button on the navigation bar to zoom out step by step. This method is ideal when you want to quickly highlight a section without manually adjusting the zoom level. A few closing tips. Keep your cursor over your point of interest before zooming. Use gentle motions to keep transitions smooth, and pause briefly after a zoom so your audience can refocus. Combining these methods works best. Double-click to jump to content, then use the scroll or the plus and minus buttons to refine your framing. With a little practice, your zooming will feel natural, polished, and perfectly in sync with your story.